Hey, welcome to Joe's Nails Do-It-Yourself channel. I won't take much of your time, but I just need few seconds to share with you an important trick on semi-permanent nail polish. How to do it so it will stay longer on your nails. Two things I have to mention. Before applying the base coat, use a buffer and clean the surface of your nail so it won't be shiny. Don't insist too much, otherwise you'll destroy your nail. After you use a buffer, it's highly recommended to use a primer. This way the base coat will stick to your nail longer. Wish this was useful to you, so I invite you to subscribe to my channel, to turn on the notifications, as I'll be sharing with you many other useful videos. Take care, bye!